Alright, everyone, so I'm going to teach you how to go and do registration for Upper Nazareth Clippers. So, I'm of course logged in, but what you want to do is you'd want to register here. You're going to create an email, or you put in your name first and your last name. And then create a username. And then password. You cannot use any part of your email or anything in your password. And it has to have at least one number in it as well. No, that username is not available. Let me create. That username is not available either. Alright. Alright, and we're in. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Technology is great when it really wants to work. So just click. Now this is you as the parent or guardian and what you are and your address. From your state. And your phone number. And if you have any additional parent or guardian information, you would put it there. And you would hit continue. You are the parent or legal guardian. And is the participant the same as the primary? No. Now you're going to put in the child that you're going to register. Date of birth. And now here you want to upload the birth certificate. You hit choose file. For any purposes right now, I don't have birth certificate uploaded. Then after you choose the birth certificate, then after you would hit upload, that automatically puts it there. And then you want to add another participant. So if you have more than one child, you would add another participant here. If you don't have more than one child, you wouldn't put that you would just continue. But let's say we have another child, and you want to input another child. Again, not the same, so you would put another one. Yeah. And choose file to upload the birth certificate. Upload goes there. Okay, and then now we're going to continue. So that's my last child. Okay, so now we get here. Now it says that for my first child, that these are the program depending on what grade. So say she's in there, I'm going to go register for that one. And for my second child, they qualify for that grade. So now I have them selected. That's the program for the first child right here. This is the program for the second child right here. And I have them both selected. And I'm going to hit continue. Make sure the word is selected. Now I'm going to go through and read my release of waivers here. I accept the waiver. Has my child had a physical this past calendar year? Yes or no? I'm just going to say for all intents and purposes, yes. This is going to be my first child, so a youth medium. Years of service 1, current grade 5th grade. I accept that it's $50, $75. Now I'm going to go in for my other child here. Again, same waiver for my second child. So yes, my child's have a physical. This child's a size large, 1 year experience, 6th grade. I volunteer and understand, accept. I'm going to continue. I'm not going to coach or whatever, so at this time I will say I do not wish to volunteer at this time. I'm going to hit continue. Now it has come up with the prices that I can pay in full, and these are my prices. And it has all the division fee, the fundraising fee with volunteer and equipment, subtotal, and getting the discount for my second child. So my total for the 2 children would be $395. So then I would just hit continue. And now you could go in and pay by credit card. We accept Visa or MasterCard. We do not accept American Express. If you want to pay right on, or you can mail us in a check. If you're mailing in a check, all you make sure is you confirm that and you would hit continue. Or again, if you want to pay by credit card, you would just hit credit card and you would continue and follow the prompts on the screen. Thank you. That is all. Have a good night.